I have ordered, or I will order today, a pause to all biddings of locally funded projects nationwide. Pause. Why ako nagpapapause? Bakit ako nagpapapause? Kasi kailangan muna namin i-review at aralin based on the President's directive to clean house. Okay? So, the President does not want any more money of the government, of the DPWH, thrown sa ilog. Sabi niya, use his own words. Ayaw na niyang matapon na naman sa ilog ang mga pera at ang mga proyekto ng taong bayan. Kaya, today, I will issue an order to pause all the ongoing bidding of the locally funded projects. Foreign assisted projects will continue. Kasi yun, kampante tayo na maayos yun dahil nakabantay ang ating mga advisors, ang ating mga foreign funders doon. Pero yung locally funded projects na binibid ng national, regional, district, pinapapos ko today.
All infrastructure projects?
All DPWH, locally funded projects. National flood control roads, lahat na pause.
Until when?
I'm giving our new team 2 weeks maximum. 2 weeks maximum para mag-gagawin kami ng safeguards dito sa mga prosesong ito. At i-develop natin yan in the next few days and week bago tayo, at i-anunsyo ko kung ano yung mga yan sa mga susunod na dito, siguro as early as Monday, i-anunsyo na namin yan at i-implement na natin yan bago tayo maging kampante na susunod ang lahat sa direktiba ng Presidente na hindi na pwede itong mga nangyari ng nakaraan. So, that's the first. I will announce what safeguards we are going to put in place. Monday or Tuesday. Okay? So, yun ang unang-unang mangyayari today.